Hi guys, today we're here at the Jardim Botânico Zoologico, no, it's the Jardim Botânico de Lisboa, and I'm here with my Xiaomi Yi 4K, and today I want to shoot videos only, and especially photos with this action camera. And yeah, as you see, I don't have my backpack, I don't have any gear, any professional gear, any camera, anything, and I want to do everything with this thing to prove you that it's efficient. So have fun. Okay guys, as I'm making videos, as I'm shooting clips, I'm checking them as well, and for now they look pretty fine, but we'll see when I get home. Anyway, it's a cool day to be outside, you know, enjoying the nature, and as you can see I'm only wearing my shirt and it's not hot, it's not cold, it's a bit windy, but it's normal here in Lisbon. And yeah, it's a cool day, cool place, and I totally recommend the Jardim Botânico. So guys, it's everything for today. I hope you liked this video, all the clips, all the photos and everything, and all this test of this Xiaomi Yi 4K action camera. And it's my first action camera and I'm liking it pretty much for now. Yeah, that's all guys. See you in the next video. Hit like, comment, subscribe, do everything that you want, and bye.